Hi, my name is Meera Toukan from Amman, Jordan. I started my fashion journey back when I was living in London. It started as a streetwear brand, everything from hoodies to t-shirts to sweatshirts. And the main aim was to merge the East with the West with like calligraphy, embroidery, kafia. My inspiration falls down a lot with the Middle East. So all my bags are inspired by my culture and heritage and with a modern twist. And the three pillars I stick with from the initial start were Hub for love, Salam for peace, and Hariyah for freedom, because these are words that I wanted for the Middle East and for the rest of the world. For the Biennale, I stuck to the same theme and collection, which is the Arabic calligraphy, the embroidery, and the kafia in a more modern feel and with different colors, making it more fun, edgy, vibrant, and modern. So every piece is handmade with love and no machinery incorporated, and the embroidery is handmade by local artisans. And the thing I like the most about the clutches and everything is that each customer, of course, can pick their color of choice, the size and the shape, and they can play around with it according to, let's say they want to add their name, their initials, any embroidery of choice. And I feel this is what makes it one of a kind, and it makes it resonate and speak more to the customer. I would want the customers to perhaps know the story behind the brand, why it's inspired by the Middle East, why we use the three pillars, which are Hub, Salam, and Hariyah. It's important to be a part of the Biennale Design Store, as you get to connect with other artists and designers, and as well you get to collaborate, and you showcase your talent to the world, to a wide audience.